Discovering hidden treasures and historical artifacts becomes an extraordinary adventure with the best metal detectors at your side. These cutting-edge devices combine advanced technology and unparalleled precision to redefine treasure hunting. Equipped with innovative features such as multi-frequency sensing and real-time discrimination, they offer unparalleled accuracy in distinguishing between valuable metals and common debris. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best metal detectors you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting a world of hidden wonders with the Panky metal detector, ranked as the number 5 best metal detector on the market. Unleash your inner adventurer with 5 exciting modes: all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpointer, ensuring endless thrill in your quests. Powered by the cutting-edge second-generation DSP chip, Panky boasts a remarkable 25% boost in detection speed, sensitivity, and accuracy compared to its counterparts. Unveil treasures up to 10 inches deep, swiftly and precisely. The intuitive LCD tailored for beginners, complete with backlight functionality, simplifies low-light detection. Equipped with a 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil featuring copper wire distribution, Panky defies water barriers, facilitating underwater exploration. Adjustable from 47.3 to 55.2 inches, it suits all ages, while its ergonomic design, lightweight build, and anti-slip handle elevate comfort. Embark on your journey for just $147, relishing both the excitement of discovery and the comfort of innovation. Meet the Ulhund upgraded metal detector, a top contender as the number 4 best metal detector. Unlock a new level of precision with the cutting-edge DSP chip and a 10-inch search coil, synergizing to expand the search range and elevate sensitivity, transforming your treasure hunts into efficient and rewarding experiences. The larger coil size amplifies sensitivity, capturing more hidden gems in less time. Dive into aquatic adventures with confidence, as this detector boasts an IP68 waterproof rating for the stem and coil, ideal for beach escapades. Equipped with 4 distinctive modes, the 2022 edition caters to diverse metal detecting quests. From an all-metal mode that detects any metal to disc mode that sieves valuable finds from debris, notch mode lets you filter categories, and pinpoint mode hones in on targets. Crafted for comfort, the ergonomic design features an adjustable 45 to 60 inches stem, accommodating all ages. All this at an enticing price of $169. Discover the Ricomax metal detector, ranking as the 3rd best among metal detectors. It redefines convenience, weighing merely 2.31 pounds, with an ergonomic design catering to all-day use. Its adaptable height, 41.3 to 47.6 inches, accommodates both adults and children. The user-friendly LCD display showcases detection mode, sensitivity, battery status, and volume. Dark environments pose no challenge as the screen illuminates nocturnal searches. Unveil 4 robust detection modes. Ricomax detects iron, aluminum, gold, bronze, silver, and more in its all-metal mode. Disc and notch modes enhance efficiency by filtering unwanted metals, while the PP mode precisely pinpoints targets. Dive into discovery. IP68 waterproof, featuring a 10-inch search coil, aluminum shaft, and advanced DSP chip, it attains unparalleled accuracy, delving up to 10 inches deep. Embark on aquatic adventures to rivers or beaches, unearthing concealed treasures. Novices and experts alike seize this unmissable $109 opportunity for a sensational summer of exploration. Introducing the Hazlewolke metal detector, ranked 2nd among the best metal detectors. Unveil your inner treasure hunter with the ultimate beginner's tool. Boasting an innovative user interface tailored for newcomers, featuring a generously sized backlit LCD display that's 50% larger than competitors. Swift, one-handed operation is made easy with silicone buttons, ensuring comfort and precision. Embark on diverse explorations using the 5 optional modes: all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, promising endless adventure. The 10-inch waterproof coil, supported by an upgraded DSP chip, offers professional-grade performance. Detect coins up to 10 inches underground and larger items at greater depths. Customizability takes center stage with adjustable detection and forearm stems, catering to all ages. Seamlessly transition across various terrains with adjustable sensitivity. The memory function eliminates the need for constant reconfiguration. Lightweight and portable at 2.4 pounds, Hazlewolke guarantees a swift 1-minute assembly, even a grade schooler can manage. Your gateway to uncharted landscapes, all at just $139. Say hello to the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 metal detector, your ultimate treasure hunting companion. Ranked as the #1 best metal detector, this device guarantees unparalleled performance. It effortlessly detects coin-sized targets buried up to 6 inches deep and larger treasures that are hidden up to an impressive 2 feet beneath the surface. Equipped with a 3-mode operation, 2-tone audio discrimination, and a motion all-metal mode, the TK4 Tracker 4 makes detecting a breeze. Its 3-position mode switch and 8-inch waterproof search coil ensure optimal results. The user-friendly knob control interface maximizes depth detection through power sensitivity control and eliminates unwanted targets with discrimination control. This detector's versatility shines as it identifies various metals including gold, silver, brass, aluminum, iron, and steel. Whether you're hunting for relics, coins, jewelry, or exploring prospecting sites, the Tracker IV excels. Its proven treasure performance, discrimination circuitry, and ease of use have solidified its status as the world's most popular metal detector. Own the adventure for just $99. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.